Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Italian Renovations and Adventures. This is our beautiful little house here. So it's a fantastic little joint. We did all this a couple of summers ago, painted all the shutters, made it bright, and everyone knows the house for its colour and they love it. And just a little bit of history about our house. It was very, very special to this town because the lady here actually had a miracle who lived in it. That's the old post office. It used to be Italian Post. As you can see, this is our little quadrant here. It's a beautiful day again. Look at that. Just thought we'd do a little video and just show you about Furci, the little town. We're going to do a little drive around to our other house. This is how you come up from the San Salvo way into Furci. There's always work in there. It's amazing that in Italy you'll find that a lot of the older people, once they become pensioners in their 60s, they are still working up until the 80s and 90s, and they classify themselves old when they hit 90. Now that is really, really rare to see in the world. A lot of the older people say, "Oh, I've worked all my life and I've done." But that's what I love about Italy. They're still working, aren't they, Donna?
They are. It's good to see.
Here we go. Coming up to the main street where the shops are. This is a little piazza for Beato Angelo, our patron saint. Quite a few houses in the street for sale. If anyone's interested, send us a link. We've got a contact for people for houses. Here's our little bread shop. Come and see Giuseppe. Beautiful bread. We've got a clothing shop, beauty shop, hardware. We've even got a beer brewery / bakery too in the town. There's our local watering hole. Just going to come into the main square piazza. We've got 3 churches in the town. You can see the Maiella in the background there. We've got a farmacia. This is our piazza, Beato Angelo. Another bar. This is Filippo. This is where they do all the olive oil production in town. Capineri. Down this street there's quite a few little houses for sale. These are actually war widows' houses that were made, built specially for them. Here we have the commune of Furci. Post office is down this road, down here, Posta Italia, and down here we have a bakery, another bakery. There are 2 twin brothers, and they also manufacture beer. Very important fact to know. Look at that view, spectacular. There's our local priest, Don Angelo. Petrocina. And we're here at our little house now. So, getting back to what we've been doing today, we've had to move that cupboard up and remove tiles. And then we had the window fall out, but it was rotted anyway. So that's our afternoon job, is to try and install the aluminium double glazed window. So fingers crossed. So after a bit of a venture today trying to get parts to put the window frame in, we're at the stage where we're about to hang the window. Pretty cool, eh? So let's see what it looks like when it's on. One window installed. Awesome. So, to end today's video, we were working on the kitchen and we ended up changing perspective, and because the window, we found that it was rotted and had fallen out. So we changed the window. I hope you liked today's video with this bit of a drive around Furci. Working on the kitchen, we've installed the oven now. Just got to put the range hood up, buy a cooktop, and this place is beautiful. And last if not all, thank you very much for all your subscribing. Thanks very much for liking. Don't forget, send me comments and tell me what you want to know in the videos. If you want to know anything about us, just ask us any question. And we'll see you tomorrow.